here, I'm Georgiana, and behind the camera is my partner Jessie. We do camping videos in our fiberglass burrow camper. Last week we actually purchased a 1990 Ford Chinook E350, and so I thought we would give you a little tour before we start some renovations. Previous owners actually did a lot to it and it looks great, but we're just going to do some things to make it our own. So let me show you inside. So right here we actually have a wet bath.
Close quarters.
I know. A little small in here. Well, actually bigger than our camper. We have storage right over here. There's actually quite a bit of storage in here. Up here, all in here. We have a fridge, more storage down here. 4-burner stove, along with an oven. Really nice sink. Something that I love about in here are these huge windows, and you can open them up and they have a screen that you can actually pull back as well. Right here we have the couch that turns into a bed along with this, and you can actually combine them together to make a rather large bed. Only things that we've done so far, we added this cover for the couch. We open this up.
We're gonna reframe it.
We're gonna reframe it. Added this for my iPad. Plenty of storage up here. We've already spent 2 nights in here. That's our bedding. And then this beautiful cat area with these seats. This one actually spins around.
Give it a whirl.
All right. Yeah, beautiful captain chairs up here. They're so comfortable, like a dream. That's what we'll be showing you for now. I can show you a bit outside of the Chinook. We're on a very busy road. It's gonna be loud, but let's go take a look around. Alright, well thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned because more videos will be coming out about what we're doing, like installing a composting toilet, solar panels, and other stuff. Let me say bye.
What? Bye.